If standard reinforcement locks do not fit your door type, you can use several alternative hardware and fitting strategies to achieve secure reinforcement. First, measure the door and frame precisely and record with thickness and jamb depth so you can match adjustable or universal fit reinforcement plates that accept a range of dimensions. Look for telescoping or slotted models that let you change screw spacing and plate length on site. These are made to adapt to narrow styles, thick doors, and odd jamb profiles. Consider surface-mounted security plates that sit over the existing strike and use long screws into the stud behind the jamb when a mortise or recess is impossible. Install by finding solid backing with a small drill bit and pilot holes to avoid splitting. If the door edge or frame is too thin for conventional screws, use reinforcement sleeves or metal backing blocks that sandwich the frame and distribute load. These can be cut and shaped with a hacksaw and filed for fit. For very irregular doors, look at hinge side reinforcement such as continuous hinges or hinge bolt plates that secure into multiple studs rather than relying on a single jamb strike location. When modifications are needed, always use hardened steel fasteners at least 3 inches long for the main load paths and pre-drill holes to prevent wood split and ensure alignment. Common problems include mismatched screw spacing, which leaves the plate loose, so verify measurements twice and use slotted plates or elongated holes to fine-tune positioning. Another issue is lack of solid backing, where long screws cannot reach a stud, and the fix is to install a hidden backing block inside the jamb or use a surface plate with through bolts to a backing block. A third frequent concern is altering the door function by adding thickness or interfering with the latch. Solve that by trimming or shimming only as required and testing operation repeatedly while keeping clearances uniform so the latch and strike align smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project pages that let you describe unusual door conditions so you can find fitting help. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange photos, techniques, and vendor suggestions, and where contractors can find new leads and post their services.